Welcome to virtual conference LisaCon 2020. I heartily welcome all the librarians and all the participants for this virtual conference. Today, on behalf of Sententia, I am going to talk about how Sententia is going to be helpful. So, Sententia is a formal writing assistant and grammar checker. So worldwide, if you really see, lot of research reports and statistics indicate that English communication is one of the most important skills to get a job, as well as proficiency in English is very critical for successful career. So welcome to Sententia. So what is Sententia? Sententia is an online platform with a powerful grammar analysis engine and personalized learning framework. So you can access it from anywhere and from any device of your choice. So this is the web page of Sententia. With the help of your registered email ID and password, you can log into Sententia. So if you log into Sententia, if you register to Sententia, it will be for 1 year full access, and you can access all fun related content as well. So this is the landing page. Okay, so you can see here, you can see the icons like home, write, and upload, is it not? So you can either upload or you can write your content. Now I have written my content. So the other day I were going to market. You can see on the right side that the tool immediately started analyzing the content with respect to grammar, vocabulary, as well as style. So wherever the mistakes are found, the tool has colored the text. So here we can see, so it was I were going, but so it has to be I was going, is it not? So there is a grammar error, and you can see the platform has identified grammar mistakes, vocabulary mistakes, as well as style mistakes. Apart from this, Sententia provides grammar suggestions with correct and incorrect examples, so that the user can learn the English better. So it has the native language support as well. Sententia tool has native language support as well. So here you can see. So since my native language is Kannada, so the suggestion is in Kannada. So if say the users are from different native languages, say either Hindi or Tamil or Malayalam, then users can write or upload their document. For example, if they are writing a dissertation or project reports, so they can within seconds, they can get grammar, text, and style analysis, and then they can auto correct the mistakes as well. So there are options to add words in your personal dictionary as well. So for example, if it is something domain related word, then if you can add that particular domain related word to your dictionary, then the machine will not show that particular word as an error when the user uploads the content next time. So here you can see Sententia platform will give you grammar, style, as well as vocabulary mistakes. These are called mistake metrics, and even it covers subcategories as well. All the subcategories are covered, and apart from that, Sententia also provides document metrics. So depending on your audience, depending on your target audience, you can frame and you can plan your content, and based on that, you can set readability grade level as well as readability score. Though for the user, Sententia has a comprehensive dictionary, so that if at all you want to add some new words, or if at all you want to add synonyms, you can use Sententia dictionary to make perfect write-up. Okay, so apart from that, as I had mentioned, what you can do is you can either write or upload. You can upload text document or latex document or Word document, and you can get the analysis done, and then you can make the corrections. Okay, you can auto correct the document, and then you can download the corrected report, or you can download page wise error report as well. So this is pretty much useful for the universities as well as for the colleges to write error-free dissertation reports and project reports. And especially for the schools, this is pretty useful for learning as well. Here you can see, you can download page-wise analysis of errors, and if at all you don't want to keep the document on Sententia platform, you can delete it as well. So while downloading, you can download either in Word format, or you can download in PDF format or in TXT format. Okay. However, your original document will remain the same. I mean, there will not be any changes in your original document. When I say if you have added couple of images or mathematics, etc., then those things will be remained as it is. Okay. So let us go to next slide. So a couple of universities have might be having 5,000 or 6,000 students. They want to upload and check the grammar and text as well as style in bulk. So we have given even upload multiple files as well. What the chief librarian can do is, he can upload multiple files, and after 15-20 minutes, he can download all the error reports. Let us go ahead. So Sententia has learning curve as well. For example, a user writes a document. Okay, he practices the platform for a defined period of time. Then there is a, he can look at his learning curve. So when I say learning curve, ideally speaking, it has to be in the upward trend. So the writer writes, makes some mistakes, and he understands the suggestions made by the tool, and then he makes the correction. So when he repeats this process, then obviously after a certain time, say after 2 months or 3 months, so he will not repeat that mistake. So here you can see, you can also take lot of assessments if at all the students are preparing for competitive exams, might be IAS or might be exam, etc. So they can take multiple grammar quizzes. So in this slide, you can see that the scores are also mentioned. So for example, here I have taken 5 different grammar quizzes, and you can see my score as well. So by using Sententia, the students can prepare. So there's a unlimited opportunity to practice grammar quizzes. Sententia has a adaptive library. So this has a Sententia Learning Academy is adaptive. So what you mean by adaptive? So based on my capabilities, based on the data analysis of my writings, based on the data analysis of the results of grammar quizzes, the machine understands where the user is standing or what are his capacities. Okay, let us go back. So here you can see what it is telling me is that Satish is not that great in punctuation. So I have to start reading punctuation first. Okay, you can see the platform has the audio recordings as well, audio recordings of the content as well, so that the student or the user can learn on the go. So the Sententia Learning Academy has more than 100 topics, and for all the 100 topics we have added audio topics as well as there are fun topics, so that students can really read in detail and the engagement can be more. So Sententia platform has a self-paced learning opportunity. So when I say self-paced learning opportunity, the user can, based on his pace and based on his time, he can learn on his own. So apart from that, Sententia has even teacher's guide. Teacher's guide is nothing but basically daily lesson plan. The teacher can use this daily lesson plan and teach English to the students. So apart from that, Sententia has even certification. So the user or the student, so he writes, okay, and he gets grammar mistakes, text mistakes, as well as style mistakes, and then user will listen to the topics. He will take lot of assessments. He will practice grammar quiz, and then he reads the content, he listens to the content, and he can take the certification as well. So this is the online examination. Okay, so this is the online examination, and he can download the certificate if he passes, and if he gets at least 80% of score. So there are 6 levels of certification available, and these certifications and content are mapped with CEFR proficiency levels. Okay. To wrap up, Sententia is a perfect writing assistant for you to sound professional in your communications. You can write confidently, and if at all the students are writing dissertations, project reports, or a teacher is writing a conference paper or any seminar paper, or if you are a professional and you want to write emails, social media posts, or project reports, Sententia can be very helpful for you. So without any grammar, text, and style mistakes, you can write very confidently. Basically, this product is built using NLP, machine learning, and latest technologies like AI, and this has a adaptive platform as well. One more thing is that Sententia has API integration, and if at all you have any LMS, you can integrate with your LMS and use Sententia. So Sententia also provides a role-based, it is basically the platform is role-based, and it can provide excellent dashboards for various users. So in a case of university, say vice chancellor or director or the chief librarian and the HOD can really look into various engagement level of the students. So you can really check how many students are really using it, how many students have cleared certification, how many how many students have written on the platform, or how many documents have been uploaded. So Sententia platform also has a learning academy, so the reading and learning is more enjoyable, mainly because of there are so many fun facts, and you have audio library, and you have a lot of assessments and grammar quizzes as well. So with this, I would like to complete my webinar on Sententia. Thank you so much.